Welcome, here's a live demo trade example of my stop loss hunt divergent strategy in action. So in this video, I'll break down why the entry was taken, where it's taken, stop loss placement, take profit target, and go over some trade management as well. If you haven't already seen the two other videos demonstrating this strategy on a live demo trade of Bitcoin and also a live demo on euro dollar, check those videos out so you can kind of understand the strategy in detail and see multiple trade setups with this strategy. So before getting into the breakdown of this specific setup, a quick shout out to my affiliate exchange BingX, where you can trade such a wide variety of markets from crypto to stocks, forex, indices, commodities, with competitive fees as well as no VPN and no KYC needed. So check these guys out, BingX Exchange. Appreciate it if you do. Now let's break down this specific setup using the stop loss hunt divergence strategy, which if you haven't, again, watch the other videos I have demonstrating this strategy, but of course I'll break down the rules in this one as well. Kind of helps to see multiple examples though, if you are a newer trader especially. But let's talk about this one. So stop loss hunt is the first part of the strategy. We need a stop loss hunt and it needs to be in the direction of the overall momentum, the main trend. So right now that is to the downside. So I'm looking for a stop loss hunt to the upside. Okay. So taking out logical highs with a price move. And we have two right here. So I've outlined them with these green circles. You can see this move took out this high had taken out this logical high. So we've kind of done what we need to do as far as a stop loss hunt goes. Now, once I have the stop loss hunt, I want to see a divergence, a bearish divergence in this case, because we're looking for a downtrend continuation move. So this is that bearish divergence right here. Lower high, cross down on our momentum here, and higher high on price. So very clear, bearish divergence. Can see the entry taken on the close of this cross down right here. Okay. And our logical profit target is next logical level in the downtrend. So that logical level is over here. This low right here is the next logical level for this downtrend to head towards. Okay. So that's our profit target. We're looking for a logical level, logical low if it's a downtrend, logical high if it's an uptrend. And so we can see that is the profit target. And for the risk to reward ratio for stop loss placement, you want to go at least 1 to 1.5. That's the rule. But I typically aim 1 to 2 or better. So this one, 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. That's why the stop loss is placed where it is, because that aligns with our take profit target here. So we want to have plenty of wiggle room as well in case this comes up again to sweep the high one more time before going in our favor. So as far as the trend direction goes, we can zoom out, see that price is heading to the downside overall here. We have our 50 EMA and 200 EMA crossed down below the 200. So these are hourly time frame EMAs. So if we take a look at the settings here, 200 hourly time frame, and this is a 50 hourly time frame. Okay, I'm on the 15-minute chart here. This is gold US dollar. So sweep of highs, bearish divergence, logical profit target, overall trend direction. That's what the trade strategy is. So the setup is here. Gonna have to just wait and see how it plays out. But as far as trade management goes, we want to get the stop loss to break even once we see this breakdown. So this one specifically didn't have a lot of pullbacks on the way up here. So stop loss to break even is going to be way down here. If we get down here, hit this low, I'm just going to get the stop loss to break even at that point, as that's plenty of wiggle room and very close to the actual profit target. Okay. So I'll update this one as needed and see how things develop. All right, here's an update with the gold trade. So this one just came all the way down here, broke structure bearishly. So that would be stop loss to break even time. And now it's wicking back up strongly, so it's actually going to be time to close out the entire trade. I would have closed it down here, but I wanted to film the actual closing of it, so I'm going to close it much higher up, but that's fine. It's just a demo to demonstrate this. But since it did wick and go down below the entire low of this entire pullback and then rejected, it's probably going to have a larger bounce at this point. It doesn't mean it has to. It could just come straight back down, but I just want to take the profit and lock it in if we see this type of action with such a strong reaction after wicking down below the lows here and getting so close to the profit target. So I'm just going to close it out, and we'll call it on this trade. And so that will wrap it up for this one. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out Bing X Exchange with my link in the description down below. You can trade pretty much anything you could want to trade over there, and with no KYC, no VPN. So check that out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you, and have a great day.